How to fix Messenger's switching account problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you a couple of ways on how you can fix if you're not being able to download and then switch the Messenger accounts on the Messenger app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, in order to switch accounts in Messenger, you also want to make sure that you are logged into that account on Facebook. So just go to Facebook and then try to switch to a couple of different accounts, and just go to Account Center and add a few more accounts to this. Once you've added it on your Facebook, you can now open Messenger, tap on the three lines from the top left, and then just tap in this little drop down menu from your name over here. Once you tap on the drop down menu, in order to switch it, you'll just be able to switch to that specific page or specific account. But if this option is not working for you, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing you have to do is long press the Messenger app icon, then tap on the I button here. Then you want to go to the tab called Storage, go to Clear Cache, and also clear the data. Once you've done that, open your Play Store and then simply search for Messenger. Once you search for Messenger, make sure the Messenger app has an update. If it does have an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. What updating does is it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. So you simply want to make sure to update it to the latest version. Now you can come back to Messenger app over here. So we're going to just come back to the Messenger application, tap on the three lines from the top left, and then we'll be able to successfully switch accounts in that way. That's all it takes to switch Messenger accounts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.